This summer, we're very proud to continue our meal kits that we started basically last March of 2020 to continue to feed our community. One of the great things we found this year is the ability to build relationships directly with our parents through this meal kit pickup opportunity. You know, many times what we have our relationship with the cafeteria is with the child directly. You know, we get to know them as they come through the line, we know what they like, but having parents come and pick up meals has really given us the ability to make those connections now directly with those parents. And it's been so powerful across our county. For our summer meal kits, we have 6 sites. We spread them across the county to try to strategically locate opportunities for families within their community. And we really based it on where we found the most needs over the last year. So those 6 sites are Clarkdale, Clay Harmony, Leland, North Cobb High School, King Springs, Smitha, and Daniell Middle School. So across the county, we have opportunities. It's every Wednesday morning from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. We're open for meal pickup and we're ready to serve our families.